if you have a basement, and if you ever wanted tremolo, well, this is the D-Labs phasing type tremolo system on the basement.
All right, yeah, give it a shot.
Right down to normal human levels. I'm not a surfer. And this is the attack.
That's the attack. Yep.
So
So you're at minimum right now.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. And Mac.
That's intensity.
This is so the intensity like compresses it heavily, which is a little weird, I'm not gonna lie.
That's cool, man.
It's almost like it's going too crazy. But it's also kind of sweet.
Yeah, I suppose it could be useful for something, right? Some application.
Right, and
yeah.
no other tremolos really do that. It's real snappy. Like if you're a kind of a funk guy, you're getting like extra compression. That's kind of neat. It's weird but neat. I do wish that it had more output when it was cranked, and you could get that same sound, but with the same output, you get like back here. Make it as gnarly as we can.